Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss the most important topics from the geography section which is expected to come in the upcoming prelims exam guys. I promise you guys, if you prepare these topics, if you prepare this topic in the last week guys, at least you will increase your marks by 10 to 15 marks guys. No question from geography section can come outside these topics guys. Let us see, because see what should be our approach to geography. See, if we analyze the questions which have come in the geography section in the last 10 years guys, you will find one pattern guys. The pattern is that the most of the questions are current oriented, very few questions are conceptual in nature. So do not invest too much time in geography. Okay, that is my advice to you. Do not invest too much time in geography. The topics which I am listing out, kindly prepare these topics. So what I have done in geography, first we will see topics which are important from the world physical geography. Okay, so let us start. First, let us see which are the topics which are important from the geomorphology section, sir. Guys, this year there has been one study. Guys, on basically the sea floor spreading. The most important topic. If you have to read one topic, from this section, guys, read about sea floor spreading and plate tectonics, because these are related to each other. Very important guys. There has been a study done which says that the speed of sea floor spreading, there is a study done on the speed of sea floor spreading. Okay, what is the sea floor spreading? Okay, because at the mid oceanic ridge, okay, what happens that there is a divergence and new crust formation takes place. Ocean crust formation takes place. Very important. I believe this is the most important topic. If you can prepare sea floor spreading and plate tectonics. Related to plate tectonics guys, there is another topic, Pacific Ring of Fire and related to concepts of earthquake and volcano. Very important guys. This year there were 2-3 volcanoes, very major volcanoes were there. I believe these are very important topics for this year from this section. So you need to prepare that. Further guys, okay, because of the sixth mass extinction guys, geological time scale, okay, Anthropocene, geological time scale, okay, and stratigraphy is very important guys. And last but not the least, okay guys, this year soil weathering, erosion and conservation, very important, because of the movement at the international level. Even in India, Sadhguru is like spearheading a movement to conserve soil. Soil is very important. Even UNCCD is talking about soil conservation, okay, because of the increasing desertification and threat to soil. So I believe soil is a very important concept. What are the factors in the soil formation? What are the different types of soil guys? What are the different types of soil? What are the different threats to soil? For example, soil erosion, desertification, and then what are the different conservation techniques of soil is very important. UPSC has asked twice question on conservation techniques in soil. It is given in the NCERT. So what you have to do, these topics either you have to read from the NCERT physical geography book. Book guys, 11th. You can go and you can read them. So first section, I believe I am clear guys. And in soil, please read about the black soil of Ukraine. Okay, black soil of Ukraine, very important. Black soil of Ukraine is very important. Okay, black soil of Ukraine is very important because of the wheat production, and there is a lot of controversy surrounding the shortage of wheat throughout the world, leading to food insecurity guys. Very important guys. So this is the first section. Just read these topics, follow the NCERT, or you can read the Optima notes also. In the Optima notes, what I have done, sir, I have not only covered the current aspect, but also I have tried to cover the static aspects also. But you can read from the NCERT book also these topics guys. And one more topic was there, polar wandering. Not that important, okay, but you can read it. Not that important. I am not expecting this to come, but you can read it. Okay, so this is the first chapter guys. Let us see in the second chapter. Okay, let us see this soil erosion and this the black soil of is called Chernobyl, black soil of Ukraine guys. Next, see what are the topics in the climatology guys. Very important climatology chapter. Every year we see two questions coming from the climate part. Okay, one type of question is what? Types of climate. One question will be based on types of climate, whether it is the Mediterranean climate or the tropical climate or the monsoonal climate. Okay guys, so very important, I would say it is very important. Okay, you can read about few important climates like stepes. Okay, stepes, because this region is in news. Okay, this region is in news, or the monsoonal climate or the tropical evergreen tropical climate also you can read about. So types of climate, one question every year, one question comes every year guys, very important. Read from GC Leong. Type of climate, read from GC Leong. Okay, very important, read from GC Leong. Apart from that, what you can read is their world rainfall distribution. Then there was a snowfall in Sahara. Why was there snowfall in Sahara guys? It is very important. Then there are problems of heat waves and heat dome. Very important guys. Then types of climate, Mediterranean, stepes, this I have told you. Then guys, what is important is the rainforest, Southeast Asian rainforest, because of the palm oil cultivation and the rubber cultivation guys. And then guys, what role of forest in climate change guys, very important. And then peatlands are very important. In this you have to read about the pantanal of wetlands of the South America. Okay, very important. This is very important. Okay, this is very important because there is a initiative also, peatland initiative, global peatland initiative, very important. So these are the topics which you can prepare from the climate part. For the climate part, mostly if you see this, okay, you can read GC Leong and then you can read the NCERT, but mostly if you see, most are current oriented also. So you need to prepare a little bit here. You can also prepare cyclones, because UPSC has a habit of asking questions on cyclone. And in cyclone there is a development that the number of cyclones and the frequency of cyclones is increasing in the Arabian Sea also. Traditionally Bay of Bengal has more number of cyclones than Arabian Sea. However, what we are seeing with the increasing climate change, the number of cyclones which are increasing in the Arabian Sea is increasing. So what are the reasons responsible for that? Cyclones. Okay, particularly the tropical cyclones are also very important. The naming of cyclone is also very important. Naming of cyclones are also very important. UPSC's favorite topic. These are UPSC's favorite topic. Okay, favorite topic. So guys, these are the topics from the climate part. Let us now go what is important from the oceanography. In oceanography guys, okay, UNCLOS is the most important topic. UNCLOS is the most important topic because of the various maritime conflict. UNCLOS laws are very important. Okay, then guys, salinity, okay, and temperature profile. Salinity and temperature profile of ocean. Okay, then there is ocean current and tides. Ocean current and tides, what are the causative factors? Okay, causes. What are the causes of, just you have to read what are the causes of tides and what are the causes of ocean currents. In ocean currents you have to talk about what are the significance in the climate also. What is the significance of ocean current in the climate? What kind of impact this ocean current makes on the climate, okay, of the coastal areas. Then guys, anti-meridional oceanic circulation is also very important, but I don't think UPSC will go such deep. General UPSC do not go very deep, but this is also, you can read it in current affairs, you will find that. Okay, then greenhouse gas effect because of the climate change. Okay, greenhouse gas effect and light pollution. There is a new development which has taken place. Okay, we are talking about light pollution. So light pollution topic is also very important guys. Let us see now. Okay, let us see now in the mapping point, in the world mapping point, what are the important topics which we can prepare. What are the important topics which we can prepare as far as world mapping is concerned? Lithium triangle guys, very important. Lithium triangle. Okay, the three countries situated in South America which are responsible for the highest reserves of lithium, which is going to be the main metal for the lithium ion battery, which will drive the EV revolution guys. So this region will be very important, lithium triangle. Then guys, Pacific Island has been in news because of the volcano. Okay guys, then what? Black Sea has been used because of the Ukraine crisis. Countries surrounding Black Sea guys, please remember, countries surrounding the Black Sea, there are 6 countries guys. Okay, then this Bosphorus Strait, okay, Bosphorus Strait is very important. Okay, Turkish Strait, very important. Bosphorus Strait, Turkish Strait is very important. They can ask you arrange from east to west, arrange from north to south, very important. I would say this is very important. These two topics are the most important topics this year, Black Sea and Bosphorus Strait, very important. Okay, then regions in Ukraine and surrounding countries, and surrounding countries of Belarus, okay, Baltic Sea, okay. So you can expect one question on Ukraine, okay, surrounding Ukraine, either from Black Sea or surrounding countries of Ukraine, okay, any question, or Bosphorus Strait. One question is expected from this region. Or they can ask you, what they can ask you, they'll give three regions where conflicts are happening throughout the world. Okay, you see here there are some regions where conflicts are happening. Okay, you see Tigray region in Ethiopia. Okay, then there is some region in Nagorno region in Armenia and Azerbaijan. So this region also, and they can give you some region, Donbass, or some region of basically the Ukraine also, and they will say match the following. They can give you match the following. So one question you can expect from here. Then Falkland Islands has been in use. Falkland Islands, Bab el Mandeb, okay, the choke point, okay, marine choke point, very important. Then Nord Stream pipeline, very important. Then glaciers are very important because of the climate change. Glaciers are very important, guys. Then this rare earth metal distribution, very important. Rare earth metal distribution is very important. What are the different mines, most important mines? Where are these rare earth metal reserves located? Which country has the highest production of rare earth metal? These are the most important topics this year from the economic geography, guys. Then there is one topic in the map, Sahel region, Green Wall Initiative, Sahel region. Okay, which are the countries which come in the Sahel region? I guess 11 countries come into the Sahel region. You should know the names of the 11 countries. And this Green Wall Initiative, very important in the environment. Why I have mentioned here in Green Wall in geography? You should know the region, you should know the countries which are there in this region, guys. Very important, guys. Very important. And then last but not the least, world agri commodities, wheat production. Which are the countries which are the highest in wheat production? Which are the countries which are the highest in oil seeds production? Sunflower oil, okay, palm oil, okay, guys, soya bean. So agri commodities are very important. Okay, wheat and agri commodities like oil seeds are very important. Which are the countries where this production goes on? Because economic geography, crops are very important, guys. Crops are very important. You can expect question from that. So very important this year. Okay, this year two questions you can expect. From this topic. These topics only, guys. I can tell you just sit for 1 hour. And you prepare all together. You just say that 1 hour I am going to give for the map. 1 hour I am going to give the map. Just take a piece of paper, guys, and do yourself. Just like what many student mistake they do. They just see some videos, okay, and they read it, they forget it. You do it yourself. You take a map of the world and you take a piece of paper. Do this exercise. Once you do your exercise, you write it on a piece of paper. You're not going to forget. Otherwise, what will happen? Generally, what I see, they just see some YouTube videos. Okay, these are the map locations, and then they forget. Just write it down on your own. Do some practice on your own, okay? And you can solve questions. You can solve the Optima 100 geography questions, where I have included map questions on each of them. I have included map question on each one. Then you can solve that question also, because once you apply whatever you have read, you will never forget. Guys. Let us see from Indian geography what type of questions can we expect or what need to prepare. Okay. So in Indian geography, if you see physical, okay, physiography, okay, not physical physiography, then what you need to prepare is the Himalayan glaciers. Very important. The names of Himalayan glaciers, very important, guys. Then the few locations are very important, like the Pir Panjal range, the Pangong Lake, the Aravallis, and the Karevas. Okay, Aravallis are very important this year. They can ask you which are the states and union territories where Aravallis are located. Okay, what are the rivers which come out of Aravallis? Okay, can you name the river? Please write in the comment box. Name few rivers which come out of Aravallis. Okay, guys. Okay, and the Karevas. Okay, Karevas are cultivated in the Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, Kareva, moraine deposits, very important. Then you see drainage chapter also. UPSC every year one question it gives on rivers and its tributaries. Please read that chapter, NCERT chapter on drainage. Do not do shortcuts. See, many people what they do, They're saying, sir, please give me some rivers, sir, name of the river, sir. No, guys, I must tell you what I have observed in the UPSC. Every year UPSC gives one question on rivers and tributaries, and that question is directly picked from the NCERT, that chapter. Kindly read that chapter of NCERT completely, guys. It will take, okay, maximum half an hour, guys. For a person who is already prepared, just half an hour. One question is guaranteed, guys. Okay, next there are some rivers which were in news, like Kameng River, Saraswati River, okay, revival, these are in news, guys. But rivers we cannot predict specifically that this river is going to come. Very difficult to do that because these are factual questions. Okay, and there are many rivers in news, so we cannot pinpoint that Godavari will come, Krishna will come. We cannot pinpoint that. However, guys, one river which I give you as a prediction this year, okay, Silent Valley. There is one river which flows through Silent Valley, Kunti Puza. Kunti Puza, guys, very important. Please prepare that. Silent Valley mapping. Silent Valley mapping, guys, we will do when we will do environment important topics. I will take up Silent Valley. Very important this year, guys. Okay, let us see that in Indian climate, what is important in Indian climate region, what is important. Indian monsoon is very important. Basic concepts. Okay, southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon. What are the factors? La Nina, El Nino. La Nina is very important, guys, this year. La Nina is very important, guys, this year. Okay, then National Monsoon Project. National Monsoon Project, what is the impact of climate change on coastal cities? What is the impact of climate change on coastal cities, guys? Very important. Okay, because Mumbai has come out with a climate change action plan. Okay, guys. Next, heat waves are very important. Heat waves are very important this year. Heat waves, guys, very important. Because of heat waves only the wheat production is reduced, and that is why we have stopped the wheat exports, guys. Very important. Okay, let us see now in natural vegetation what can come. Okay, tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forests are important this year, guys. Then Indian soils, very important. Indian soils, question can come on types of soils, soil conservation, and soil problems like soil erosion. All those questions can come. Very important. I would say this topic is very important. Please read that NCERT chapter on soils. Please read that NCERT chapters in soil, guys. Very important. One question is expected, guys. Let us see from economic geography what all questions can come. Economic geography, guys, I must tell you, you prepare these 4-5 crops. Okay, 4-5 crops. Like rubber is very important this year. I am telling you rubber, because what government is trying to do, government is trying to push rubber in the northeast. Okay, so this is very important. Rubber, what are the regions where rubber is cultivated? What are the geographical conditions responsible for the growth of rubber? Then, guys, tea is very important. Cotton is very important. Cotton is very important. Okay, then pulses is very important. Pulses is very important. Oil seeds, okay, palm oil, okay, palm oil, oil seeds are very important. Then nutri cereals are very important. Cotton, okay, this we have already discussed. So these are the, like, this region what you need to prepare, this topic what you need to prepare, geographical conditions which are responsible for cultivation of that crop, and what are the states in which these crops are being produced, guys. This you prepare, these 4 crops you prepare, guys. No question can come out of these 4 crops, guys. And here wheat is also important. Wheat is also very important. Wheat I have missed it out here. Wheat is also very important, guys. Next, let us see in economic geography, minerals and mines, what is important. You see coal shortage, coal mines in India, important mines, important locations, important states, very important. Then bauxite is very important. Okay, aluminium bauxite is very important. And then monazite which is very important for the nuclear energy. Monazite is very important. Thorium reserves, guys. Let us see in the economic geography industries. What are important industries which are this year? So fertilizer industry, cotton industry is very important. Fertilizer industry, cotton industry is very important, guys. Okay, let us see now in Indian maps. What are the important topics in Indian maps, guys? Aravalis, I told you, Aravalis, which are the states through which Aravalis are located? This question can come. Okay, then Chumbi Valley, Ladakh, Lipu Lake, Run of Kutch, Tawang, Park Bay scheme. Park Bay is very important. Then Andaman and Nicobar Islands are very important. And some river linkings are going on, Perth, Tapi and other river linking projects. So those rivers are very important, guys. Guys, if you think that the kind of topics which I have mentioned here is relevant, okay, please prepare these topics. Please give me a like, guys. If you really like this discussion, give me a like. Please prepare these topics. If you want notes on these topics, you can read the Optima notes. If you want to solve questions On these topics, guys, you can solve the Optima Geography test. 100 top questions of geography which are expected this year. I have included that, and then there are 75 to 70 questions in the full length test of geography I have included, guys. No question can come outside that. Please, guys, please make use of it. This is the last week. I'm telling you, last week is a week of optimization. Whatever you have done, whatever material you have read throughout the year, okay, this last week is going to decide everything, guys. So time for optimization starts now. What is optimization, guys? Read what is going to come. And what is going to come? This is going to come, which I am discussing, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.